Good morning, good afternoon and good evening, wherever you are in the world. Hope you're having a great day. Today we've got a Lenovo IdeaPad 530s 14IKB. This has got a battery that doesn't last long at all. I mean, literally 5 minutes and it just dies. So what we need to do is change the battery. So to do that, turn the device on its back, put some sort of cloth underneath, or if you've got a clean surface, that's fine. But I like to put this, sometimes put these little foam mats in, just so they don't get scratched. So what you're going to need is a T6 screwdriver, like I've got here, manual or electrical, and remove the screws. I'm not sure if they're all. Right, then what you're going to need to do is between the top frame and the bottom cover, there's a gap just down there. So we need to get something sharp just to remove that. That's called a base cover actually. Let's see if we can just lift it off. Okay, and there you go. And there you have it. So the battery we need is, where's the model of it? Let's have a look. I can't see a model number on the battery, but we need to search online for this model of laptop and see if the battery we can get is the same one as this one. Okay, so you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. I might need a manual one because this one's not giving me enough pressure. Oh, actually, yeah. Push it down slightly. And, sometimes the electrical ones can be a bit too quick. You need to put down a bit of weight, not too much, so you don't want to damage or bend the motherboard. Okay. Okay. Now to remove the battery connector, there's a little bit of a groove where you can just get something sharp just in this gap here. You can just feel something there. You just pull on it. So if I get hold of the wires, be careful not to lift this up too much because you could actually lift it off the board and you're in trouble. So pull it away from you, and as you can see, that's come out quite easily. Okay, so yes, order a new battery. I'll have a look if I can put a link at the bottom in the description. The model number, here it is. It's a L1C 4PB 0, or is that no? One of the two. So yeah, let's go ahead and order that battery. Alright guys, so the battery has arrived, as you can see here, and there is a link below in the description where you can get one from. This is from my supplier, which you won't have access to, but you can look by the links below, and they're all pretty good as well, because I've used them in the past. It's pretty straightforward. It's basically the reverse of removing the battery. So just make sure it lines up correctly and all the holes are good. And this cable is a little bit longer than the other one, so let's put the cable in first. Hopefully it's the right way around. Yeah, it is. Push it all the way and make sure it fits. You might find that some of the newer cables can be have a bit of stress on them, or a bit longer, but you'll have to just mess around, fiddle around with it, and they will fit in. Okay, like this one is a little bit longer. Let's see if we can just adjust it slightly. Be careful not to damage the actual connector on the laptop when you're doing this, because that can easily be done. Okay, so that's fine. And then it's a simple case of just putting the screws back in and just seeing how the laptop functions. Make sure it's all good. What you could actually do is just put one screw in. That's what I would, or a couple of screws in, and just make sure that the battery's actually functioning. It's the tip actually. So put one on each corner, so you've got no issues of it falling out. Hit the power button. It might take a while for it to come on. This one, however, is not powering up, so it's possible that the actual the battery is completely dead. But usually I do find that batteries do have some charge in them. I've never had an issue with these batteries, to be fair, so it should be all good. Let's have a quick look. Okay, so I've locked, it says battery low. Okay, let's have a look, shall we? 80%, so that should be working without me putting the charger in. Yeah, that's fine. So it just needed a bit of a jump start, to be honest. So if I actually do a shutdown now, just checking. If we do a shutdown, and then we'll start it from scratch. And the other thing that you have to remember, once you do actually, okay, if you look at the light there now, that light has come on. Can you see that? Yeah, just about to see it through the screen there. Yeah, that's fine. So what I'd recommend you do now is, yeah, just finish off with the screws that are left over, put them in, and once you put the back cover on, I would recommend you fully charge the laptop and then use it without the charger plugged in. Run it down to about 10% and then recharge it. You need to do that probably 3 cycles, and that just optimizes the battery life. I would highly recommend you do that. Okay, so now we have a laptop which is actually kind of usable now, you know. Yeah, you can use it and it will be absolutely fine. Again, the links are below for the batteries. You can get them from below. Yeah, and hopefully you like the video. Like and subscribe. These are kind of repairs that are not too technical, so anyone can do them really, to be honest. If you've got a screwdriver and got all the tools, bits and bobs lying around, you can do your own stuff, you know. So yeah, if you like it, subscribe, and you can buy me a cup of tea or a cup of coffee. Via the link below. Thank you.